Pilaya ng business. Meron ka bang top employee na biglang umalis tapos wala kang ipinalit na para bang walang magtutuloy ng trabaho niya? Nako anak, maraming business owners na ganyan ang problema. Kaya let me share what happened to Lynn, who owns a home service spa business. Meron siyang isang napakagaling na lead therapist. For 6 years, etong empleyado na to, siya yung nag-handle ng lahat. Client consultations, training ng therapists, special treatments, everything. Si Lynn naman nagtiwala ng lubos-lubusan. Kaya nung one day, biglang nag-resign ang employee na to. And sabi niya, may family business daw siya na kailangang ayusin. Ayun, di nagpanik si Lynn. Walang nakakaalam ng specialized massage techniques. Yung mga junior therapists naman, hindi nila alam yung client preferences at specific treatment protocols. Alam mo, ang sales niya bumagsak by 45% in just 2 weeks dahil yung service quality became inconsistent. Tapos nagkaroon sila ng napakadaming complaints sa kanilang mga VIP clients. At doon na-realize ni Lynn na she put all her eggs in one basket. Sabi ko sa kanya, Lynn, kailangan mo ng succession plan. And so, with my guidance, she identified the key positions sa negosyo niya. Tapos, nag-pick siya ng mga potential backups from her existing team. So, tinrain niya ang bawat isa how to handle the important tasks so that they could step in whenever they are needed. Tapos, finally, she wrote down lahat ng mga proseso, mga treatments, mga procedures, lahat. And ngayon, bawat department merong 2 tao who can handle the responsibilities. So anak, ito ang lesson. Succession planning ensures business continuity and creates growth opportunities for your team. Hindi lang basta may backup ka, you're also developing your people. Kaya don't wait for emergencies to happen before you prepare, ha? Plan ahead, anak, and train your team. Document your processes. Let's be business-minded Pinoy. And if you are ready to do better in your business, get your free starter kit. The link is in the comment section.